असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Hi, this is BVKR. In this session, we will discuss about and we will learn about angle sum property. Till now, we have learned so many properties of triangles like sides, angles, altitude, and median. Then, angle sum property. This is also one of the property. So, according to this angle sum property, the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we have to prove, is it 180 degrees of the sum of three angles in a triangle? Let us prove that. What is given? The statement is the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So what is given here? The given that triangle A, B, C, and we have to construct draw a through a draw a line segment PQ parallel to BC. Where is the triangle? Now here we can see the triangle. This is A, B and C. Now construct is through A and draw a line segment PQ parallel to BC. So this is BC. To parallel to BC, through A we have to draw PQ. Yes. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Here it is angle 4 and it is angle 5. Right. Now, mark the angles as indicated in the figure. Mark the angles indicated in the figure. So, the given figure, the angles are like this. Angle 1, it is A. Angle B is 2. Angle C is 3. Angle 4 and angle 5. Now, angle 2 is equals to BC is a parallel to PQ. Now, in the previous classes and the previous sessions, we have learnt about alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, and those knowledge. What about the knowledge we have learned when transversal made an angles of two parallel lines? So we can use it here. You see, these are the parallel lines. BC is parallel to PQ. If it is the angle is 2, the alternate interior angle is 5. So that angle 2 is equals to angle 5 because it is alternate interior angle. Right. In the same way, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Why? Because when B and BC and PQ are parallel lines. This is the transversal. So here C and angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate interior angles. So angle 3 is equals to angle 4. This is also same reason. Alternate interior angles. Now we just add 1 and 2. Right? Idi add cheddam. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 5 is equals to angle 4. In the next step, just add angle 1 to both sides. Right? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 4. But మనం ఇక్కడ చూసినట్లయితే angle 5, angle 1, angle 6 they made a straight angle, you know. Of PQ మీరు చూస్తే మనకి you can understand that angle 5, angle 1 and angle 4 make a straight angle. But angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 that is equals to 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, you know. So therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degrees. So thus the sum of three angles in a triangle. See, triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degrees. So the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees.
It's called